Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. I'm excited for today's video because I've selected 5 TikToks that I want to review as a licensed nail technician. Now, the videos that we will be watching will be nail fails, okay? I feel like when I'm scrolling on my For You page, I see a ton of people that love their nail sets, and then I see a ton of people that are very unhappy with their nail sets and leaving the salon crying. Now, before we get into those videos, don't forget to subscribe. If you decide that you like the video, go ahead and hit that like button, and let's just dive right in. For our first video, we have made by the TikToker name Mei Ling Mei. The caption reads, "When you're already having a bad day and the nail salon makes it worse." These are the type of videos that make me so sad as a nail technician because you should never have your client leaving your chair upset. So we're gonna go ahead and play the video. Here we go. She's literally crying. She's crying.
I went to the nail salon to get my nails done to feel better.
First look, you can tell the white French tip portion is way too thick. It's way too thick. And you can see that the gel polish underneath is kind of lumpy so that when you cure it with the top coat, you can see that it doesn't look good. So we're gonna go ahead and let's play it back one more time. In the car, you can see that the width is too wide.
To get my nails done to feel better.
The French tip portion is just looking wonky. It's looking wonky. I'm sorry, but I feel like from far away they would look okay. They would look okay from far away. I'm so sorry, Mei Ling Mei, that you had to experience something, you know, that makes you feel so upset, because you should love your set when you leave. So, okay, so for our second video, we have by the TikToker name Rowie Keel, and we can already see from looking at the video, it says bad nail vibes. So what exactly makes it bad nail vibes? I'm about to show you guys. And it looks like she's also blurred out the name of the salon, I think out of courtesy, but let's just go ahead and dive in.
Oh my god, guys, I went and got my nails done today. I had to block out the name of the salon because I feel really bad. But anyways, this is my nails before, okay?
Just
this is
a
what
cute
I wanted. And yes,
French
I
tip.
bite my nails off. I'm fucking disgusted.
But we have acrylic powder out for some reason.
So this is like the first red flag, okay? It was like pink, but I thought, oh yeah, after a few
looks like we've got the
coats,
tips
it might be red,
out
okay?
and ready.
And I didn't know this because I don't usually get tips. I usually just go like full color.
And
but
then it looks like they dipped the bottom end of the tip into the powder, which I've never seen. I've never seen a technique like that.
But there is no comeback from this. Like, no coming back. Anyway, he told me to put it in the setter, and I didn't even want acrylic. I asked for SNS, but he talked me into getting it. And look how fucking disgusting.
The nails are wild. They're just really thick. Like you can tell from looking at the nails that the nail beds should not be that thick. It looks like when they place the acrylic, or excuse me, when they place the tip that had acrylic on it already, it obviously stretched out the nail, or the tips were too big for the actual nail bed, stretching them out. And then when you're laying acrylic powder on top of that, and then it sets, you just have really thick nails, as you can see. The French tip, I could see those lines, they're looking straight, but everything else, like the fact that she wanted just a basic red gel polish mani. Super cute, short, almond shape. There should have been no reason as to why that nail tech brought out tips, brought out acrylic powder. She said she didn't even want acrylic. Like, I bring it up every video, okay? But y'all still keep asking, which is fine, and it's okay, because I don't think I'll ever go into the level of detail as you guys would like me to go into regarding the how do you wipe question, but I saw these nails and holy cannoli. I don't have long nails. I have short baby nails compared to this creator right here. So the TikToker, I believe, is the nail technician who created this crazy long, beautiful set. It's not something that I would rock like ever, but it's nails by, what is it? Nails by Rye. Cute. Nails by Rye. So we're gonna watch this video and then you guys are gonna think about how many times you guys wanna ask me how I wipe. Because I wanna go on her social media and I wanna ask her how she wipes. Because this is wild, okay? And apparently this is also nail ASMR, so let's just indulge. All the charms. Okay, a couple of things going on through my head. The charms, expensive. The length, expensive. The acrylic, I feel like she's gotta use one full thing of these. I don't even know what it's called because I'm like so baffled at how long nails are. So just acrylic powder, this is like one regular size jar. This would probably last me months, maybe like 6 months to a year. That's if I'm like regularly working on clients or regularly doing my nails, which I do, but I feel like one hand would be equivalent to this, which is crazy, and that's a lot of product. But hey, if you have a client that's down, that wants to do long nails, that wants to do the charms, that want to have her nails sound like wind charms in the blowing in the wind, that's great, because that's money, you know, for the nail technician, but that's also a lot of time. I feel like it takes me so long to do like a really intricate design, and that's why it's really nice to have things like blooming gel or cat eye that make doing the nail art quickly but effectively. So that is wild. Oh my gosh, her nails are so long. Her nails are so long. So crazy. So guys, for the last video we have posted by the TikToker named Sarah Palmyra. I'm gonna call you Sarah, girl. I'm gonna call you Sarah. So the caption reads, "I cheated on my nail tech." Let us watch the video.
I cheated on my nail tech and it went so wrong. I wanted to try a place that was closer to my house and this place had good reviews. The removal went fine, but then we decided to go shorter and I already did not like the square shape. I cannot speak up at a nail appointment, so I just kept my mouth shut and that's on me. At this point, I still felt like things were going fine. Of course, I forgot to film footage of her painting my nails, but this is when things got weird and she went really fast, and by the time I was in the car, I noticed that it was super lumpy. And I tell you, this manicure was $85 and they left my cuticles like this. I knew I wanted to get these nails off immediately, so the next morning I booked a different appointment at a new place. This nail tech looked at my nails and told me that the gel had not been completely cured, so it was very lucky that I came in or I could have developed an allergy. But anyway, this is my first Russian manicure and I was so happy with these results. Let me know if you want a review.
Okay, so a lot happened in that video. A lot happened in that video, and I almost want to like rewind it just to like touch on a couple of things. I think the main thing is speak up. Speak up. Your nail technician should be doing little mini check-ins with you so that at every moment you're feeling good, you're feeling confident because the nails are coming out the way that you somewhat envisioned. I feel like it hurts me to hear that people don't want to speak up when they're getting their nails done because they're spending money on a service that they're not happy with, and then they're gonna go spend more money at a different salon to get the same service, and you know, fingers crossed that they end up liking what they end up getting. So that was just a lot. I feel like if you go to a nail technician, or if you go to a new nail technician, to make sure that you come with a fresh set, I find that it's really hard to be able to work on someone else's work or work on the same on the type of product because you don't necessarily know what type of product that they're using. So you always want to go to a new technician with bare nails. That way they can start and have a really good foundation and know, you know, what they're working with, because everyone's nails are different and everything, you know, isn't necessarily the same for everyone. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video. That will do it for today's video. 5 TikToks that left clients very upset and very unhappy. If you found that you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I will see you guys for the next one. Bye. Bye.